Welcome to today's podcast on artificial intelligence in startups. This episode is a special one as we're diving into how AI is transforming the startup ecosystem and empowering entrepreneurs to rethink innovation, automation, and even customer experience. Over the next 30 minutes, we'll explore real-life examples, pointing key trends, and the one big questions around AI adoption in startups. We'll also break down some challenges and how startups are navigating through them. So, let's get started. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has become a buzzword in the tech world, but how does it apply to startups? In a nutshell, AI refers to machines learning from data, identifying patterns, and making decisions based on algorithms without human intervention. Startups, which are known for their flexibility, innovation, and disruption, have increasingly embraced AI to help drive their operations, create efficiencies, and scale their growth.
That's right. For many startups, AI offers competitive advantages. In areas like automation, customer support, data analysis, marketing, and even product development. It's not just about creating futuristic gadgets. AI is used by entrepreneurs to improve everyday processes and solve real business problems.
So why is AI becoming so critical for startups today? Let's take a look at some recent statistics. According to a survey by McKinsey, over 50% of global startups have already started incorporating AI into their business models. This is driven by the increasing availability of affordable AI tools, platforms, and cloud-based infrastructure.
Absolutely. The availability of open-source AI frameworks, like TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch, means that even small startups can leverage AI without investing millions. AI as a service platforms like Google AI and IBM Watson are also democratizing AI technologies for businesses of all sizes.
Let's talk about real-world startups that have leveraged AI to transform their businesses. One great example is Zebra Medical Vision, a health tech startup that uses AI to analyze medical imaging for early detection of diseases. They've managed to cut down diagnostic errors, speed up processing times, and even provide affordable healthcare solutions for underserved areas.
Another success story is YPath, a company that uses AI to automate repetitive office tasks, like data entry, invoicing, and payroll processing. They've completely disrupted the business process automation industry and now help thousands of companies become more efficient by replacing manual tasks with automated workflows.
Those are both fantastic examples. But what's important here is that AI is not just for one. In our big enterprises, startups are scaling up quickly by using AI to handle complex operations that would otherwise take years for traditional businesses to develop. Let's break down the one key areas where AI is making an impact on startups. 1. Automation. Startups use AI for automating SaaS routine processes such as customer service chatbots, social media content creation, and even product recommendations. Automation helps reduce costs, increase efficiency, and free up time for the team to focus on more strategic tasks. 2. Data analytics and insights. AI is incredible at analyzing large amounts of data. Startups can harness AI-powered analytics tools to gain insights into customer behavior, trends, and market demands. It helps them understand what works, what doesn't, and ultimately make better decisions. 3. Personalization. Startups are also using AI to personalize customer experiences. Whether it's in e-commerce, education, or health tech, AI tailors the user experience by predicting customer needs, recommending products, or offering customized content. 4. Marketing and advertising. AI is changing how startups approach marketing. Tools like Google Ads and Mission Facebook ads now use AI to help companies target the right audience and create more effective advertising campaigns based on data-driven decisions. Fifth, product innovation. AI is also helping startups in their product development phase. From AI-driven design to predictive analytics in production, startups can leverage AI to innovate faster and minimize risks.
Although AI presents huge opportunities, there are also challenges for startups when integrating it into their business models.
One major challenge is cost. While AI is becoming more affordable, it still requires an initial investment in technology and talent. For some startups, this can be a barrier to entry, especially if they're just starting out with limited funding.
That's right. Another challenge is data quality. AI systems rely on high-quality, clean data, and many startups may not have access to enough quality data for accurate training. Without good data, AI models can make poor predictions and lead to misleading insights.
And then there's the challenge of talent acquisition. AI experts are in high demand, and hiring the right people can be a significant barrier for startups. The learning curve can also be steep, meaning the team must invest significant time into training and education. As we move toward the future, AI's role in startups is only going to grow. In fact, Gartner predicts that by 2025, AI-driven startups will be responsible for a significant portion of global revenue in technology.
Yes, and we can expect new AI-driven business models to emerge. AI as a service per create will become even more common, making it easier for startups to access cutting-edge AI tools without needing to build them from scratch.
And with the rise of edge computing, we may see AI moving closer to the devices themselves. This means faster, real-time AI decision-making, which is crucial for applications like autonomous vehicles and smart cities.
Ultimately, AI is transforming the startup landscape in ways we never thought possible. It's allowing startups to compete with larger corporations, scale quickly, and create solutions that benefit in society. The key will be finding the right balance between innovation and ethics as AI continues to evolve.
AI has already proven itself to be a powerful tool for startups, driving innovation, enhancing customer experiences, and improving efficiency. While the path to AI integration is not without its challenges, the potential rewards are undeniable. As we move forward, AI will continue to shape the future of startups, making them more agile, scalable, and capable of achieving great things. Welcome back to part 2 of our discussion on AI and startups. In the first part, we explored the role of AI, its growing influence, in the key areas where startups are using AI to scale and innovate. Today, we'll delve deeper into real-world applications, share some inspiring success stories, and discuss the challenges startups face when implementing AI. We'll also look at some strategies for overcoming these hurdles and are leveraging AI to accelerate growth. So let's jump right back in.
In part 1, we mentioned that AI can impact many different sectors in a startup. But now let's take a closer look at specific industries and how AI is truly transforming them. Whether it's e-commerce, healthcare, finance, or marketing, AI is revolutionizing how businesses operate, make decisions, and interact with their customers.
Let's start with one of the most powerful examples. AI in healthcare. Imagine a health tech startup that's revolutionizing early cancer detection. Path AI, for example, is using AI-powered image analysis to assist pathologists in diagnosing diseases, improving accuracy, and in saving lives. This technology helps healthcare startups to analyze medical data more effectively, making diagnoses faster and reducing human error.
Now let's move to another booming sector, e-commerce. If you've ever shopped online, you've probably interacted with AI without even realizing it. AI chatbots. Personalized product recommendations and targeted advertisements are all AI-driven technologies that have reshaped how e-commerce startups operate.
One great example is Stitch Fix, an online personal styling service that uses AI and data to recommend clothes based on customers' preferences. Their AI system analyzes trends, wanted personal styles, giving each customer a curated shopping experience. Startups in e-commerce now have access to AI-driven insights that allow them to better understand customer preferences, optimize their supply chain, and predict future trends.
Another exciting application of AI is in the fintech. The finance industry, Basong, is traditionally known for relying heavily on data and analysis, and now AI is enhancing that. Startups in whole blockchain, digital banking, and investment platforms we might get are using AI for fraud detection, predictive analytics, and personalized financial advice.
A great example is Cabbage, a fintech startup that uses AI to provide small business loans. By analyzing real-time data from a variety of sources, Cabbage can assess the creditworthiness of small businesses faster and more accurately than traditional financial institutions. AI helps reduce risk for lenders and offers faster, more personalized services for borrowers. Next, let's dive into AI's impact on marketing. Marketing has always been about reaching the right audience at the right time with the right message. But with AI, startups can now analyze customer behavior, predict future needs, and create targeted marketing campaigns like never before.
Great example is, Pasado, a marketing platform that uses AI to generate emotional marketing messages. By analyzing language patterns and consumer responses, it helps businesses craft messages that resonate emotionally with their audience. For startups, AI-driven marketing tools can maximize engagement while minimizing the cost of traditional advertising campaigns.
Now let's shift gears a little bit and talk about the challenges. While AI offers immense potential, it's not without its difficulties. As we discussed earlier, one of the biggest hurdles is the cost of AI adoption. It requires significant investment, both in terms of financial resources and human capital.
That's true. AI tools, especially the more sophisticated ones, can be expensive to implement. For small startups with limited budgets, the initial investment in AI development and infrastructure can be a big obstacle.
Another significant challenge is data quality. AI algorithms rely heavily on high-quality, clean data to function effectively. If a startup doesn't have access to sufficient data or the right data infrastructure, the AI model will not perform at its best.
Let's explore how startups can overcome these challenges. First, it's important for startups to start small. You don't have to implement AI across every aspect of your business at once. Start with one key area, like automating customer service, and scale up gradually as you see success and build your data infrastructure.
That's a great point. Startups can also leverage AI as a service. Rather than building everything from scratch, platforms like Google AI and Amazon Web Services offer cloud-based AI solutions that are affordable and scalable, making AI accessible to startups without huge upfront costs.
Another critical factor is data preparation. Startups should focus on collecting quality data right from the start, even if they're not using AI immediately. By having a robust data strategy in place, startups can avoid future roadblocks.
While AI is amazing, there are also ethical concerns. Startups must ensure that they're using AI responsibly. For example, AI bias is a major issue. If an AI system is trained on biased data, it will make biased decisions, which can harm customers and businesses.
That's a huge concern. Bias in AI can lead to unfair outcomes, especially in areas like hiring, lending, and healthcare. Startups must be mindful of these risks and continuously audit their AI systems to ensure fairness and equity.
To wrap up, we've seen how AI is reshaping the startup landscape, from e-commerce to healthcare, finance, and marketing. While the potential for growth and innovation is immense, startups must be aware of the challenges, including cost, data quality, and ethical considerations.
As AI continues to evolve, we're excited to see how startups will lead the way in creating new products, new services, and new solutions. The future of AI in startups looks bright, and we encourage entrepreneurs to embrace AI while remaining responsible and mindful of the ethical implications.
Thank you for listening to this episode of our AI in Startups podcast. We hope you've learned something valuable and inspiring. Be sure to stay tuned for more insights on how artificial intelligence will continue to shape the world of business. Until next time, keep innovating and stay ahead of the curve.